Hi, and welcome to the course with Professor Krupp called INTC 2610. Let's take an overview of what we're going to address in this screencast. First, how to log into Stockton Blackboard. Stockton Blackboard is where all of the course information will be housed. It's also known as a learning management system. How to access Stockton email, and last but not least, how we'll be communicating within class as well as outside class, known as Blackboard Collaborate. Please make sure that you have this phone number within your mobile device and or somewhere readily accessible in case the internet goes down. The number for the Stockton University Help Desk support is 609-652-4309. So it's highly suggested that you put this in your mobile device. Now let's take a look on how to get into Blackboard, also known as the Learning Management System at Stockton University. First, you're going to go to www.stockton.edu. Then in the top right hand button, you're going to click on the word Go. This is known as the Go portal. Then you're going to get a login screen, which is your username and password. If you have any problems logging in, please click on the first time login and or forget password. Then in the top right hand screen, you're going to click on what's called the Blackboard icon, which will bring you to another screen, and you'll have to click again once again on Blackboard 9 Collaborate. And then in the actual Blackboard itself, there'll be 3 columns, and the center column is the most important, where you'll locate the desired course, which is, for this sake, is INTC 2610. Okay, let's recap on how to access Blackboard. You're going to go up into the URL address and type in www.stockton.edu. When you do that, this will be the home page, and you click on the word Go. Here you'll type in your username and password. If you have any problems, please be sure to click on first time login and or forget password. When you do that, you'll get into the main Go portal, where there'll be various tabs, and what you want to look and focus in is the top right hand side. Here there are 2 icons, Blackboard and email. Email is where you're going to click on for Stockton email to access any inbox or to compose an email, or Blackboard. So click on Blackboard. Then it's going to address another thing called Blackboard 9 Collaborate. Click on that. And here you'll have 3 columns: Essential Learning Outcomes, My Courses, and Announcements. And please locate the course that's here under My Courses. Once you locate the course, here is actually fall 2015 outline of what the course looks like. Please know you may have different file folders. Okay, now let's recap on how to access Stockton email. You're going to do the same process. You're going to go stockton.edu and then click on the word Go. When you do that, you're going to log in with your correct username and password, and once again, if you forget, click on first time login or forget password. Go to the top right hand side of the screen and click on the word email. When you do that, here is your email. All you have to do is click on new email, and then you can compose an email. If you need to write to me, you type in my name, melissa.krupp, and here it comes. Please make sure you customize the subject line so I know what the email is about. If you want to insert a particular attachment, you click on insert, and last but not least, type in whatever you want and then press send. Okay, let's first address how to log into what's known as Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is the software we're going to use to be able to record our class. It's similar to Google Hangout, but has many more bells and whistles. Please note this software, when you download the software, it will not create any malware or spyware, and it's highly secure. It is definitely recommended to use a web browser known as Firefox, because there will be no problems. And if you don't have Firefox, please download that web browser and or use Google Chrome. Please note that Google Chrome sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, so once again, it's highly suggested you use Firefox. The next thing is that in order to use this software, we will be using headsets on the first night of class. So please purchase a headset for approximately anywhere from $10 to $30. No high expenses. The ones I use are about $15, and it's recommended for a USB. Okay, let's take a look. To do that, you need to locate under the appropriate web link called week number 1. After you click on week number 1, for this case it's September 2nd, you're going to get a little bar called INTC 2610 Blackboard Collaborate Room, and you're going to click right here. After that, it's going to walk you through some steps. The first one is to click on Join Room. So you're going to click on the word Join Room. Then you're going to click on what's called Download Launcher. Since this will be the first time you use the software, you're going to click on that. Anytime after, you're going to click on Launch Blackboard Collaborate Now. Then you're going to click on the word OK. And this is probably the most important page. For those that are using Windows at your home computer, you're going to get a little green bar that says, please launch this automatically. And the troublesome for Mac users are that it's on the bottom of the screen and or hidden. So if you're using a Mac, please minimize all the windows to locate what's called Meeting. After you do that, you're going to click on the down arrow button and then click on the word Open. Here what will happen is it'll actually load the software, so it'll take a few minutes. When you get the security warning, it looks like spyware and or malware. Please be rest assured it is not. You're going to click on the word Run. It will once again download, and for those using Windows, this little icon, purple icon that looks like greater than signs, will be located on the bottom of your screen, and those Mac users may be located anywhere within your desktop. After you do that, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. The name of the course might be different, but it should look just like this. More students will be added once we do this live together. If you have any questions, please let me know.